Good morning and welcome to my channel. I'm doing well and I believe you are doing great. I love watching certain YouTube videos in the morning. Since this is the time I relax after the hurry and busy mornings, I like the way how these videos transport me to that pleasant and morning freshness. I saved these candle jar lids some time back, thinking that it could be made use of later in some DIY. Even we can write or print these motivational quotes and do the same. I was happy and satisfied with how it turned out. Usually, ideas pop up in my head all of a sudden, and I have been longing to give an interesting look for this side of the kitchen wall. Since drilling or nailing is impossible there, I'm using wall sticking hooks to hang the frames. Even moving things around once in a while can give a fresh look to any corner. There is no need for a drastic change. Even simple changes can cheer us up when we see it later. I got these 4 printouts and chose 2 of them, which was appealing to my eyes. These simple changes converted a boring wall to a much brighter wall. Tell me what you feel about this. Just before winding up the video, I have included making gobi 65 for snacking in the evening. We all might be familiar with the recipe, and it is a variant of chicken 65. It is said that chicken is cut in 65 pieces, and some others claim that the dish was invented in the year 1965, hence the dish was named after it. Whatever, everyone loves it, and the crunchy and the savory cauliflower 65 is perfect. After adding all the powders, mix well. I haven't added any color. Even though it's not red in color, it's crispy and yummy. Finally, some fried curry leaves. If you like a little bit of sourness, you can add some lemon juice before enjoying it. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye and take care.